how to turn on or off desktop notifications on TikTok using PC. And okay guys, here in your TikTok homepage, okay, on the left side, go to Profile. Here in Profile, you can see here the gear icon. Okay, click the gear icon. Here in gear icon or settings on your TikTok, okay, on the left side, go to push notification. Okay, you can click this. Here in push notifications section, you can see here the desktop notifications. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And the desktop notification is off. So if you want to turn on this, okay, you'll have to do switch on the switch button on the right side. So if this turn on, stay on top of notifications for likes, comment, the latest videos, and more on desktop. You can turn them off anytime. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on. And if you want to turn off again, okay, you'll have to do switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off desktop notifications on TikTok using PC. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.